So we just released a new masterclass at 78910.com. It's called the Limitless Artist Masterclass. And it's all about you becoming the best artist you can be.
So we're going to talk about your mindset, about social media, about publishing, about your bookings agency. Every detail you need along the road to success. We have been there, we've done it. So we're now going to take you on our journey.
So every artist in the beginning of their career are gonna face some obstacles like getting known by labels, getting known by artists, getting known by agencies. And with this masterclass, we try to give you as much information as possible to overcome these obstacles. Get known by other artists, how to have your music played by other artists, how to get in touch with labels and agencies.
So in the publishing chapter, we talked with Marc Zwart, and we talked about everything that has to do with publishing, like your rights, clearing samples.
Using vocals in tracks, the syncing rights in series. Everything you need to know about publishing will be right in front of you. In the chapter about bookings, we invited Esther Veenstra, our very own bookings agent, to talk with us about things you need to know about bookings, like the contract with your bookings agency, the fees, stuff you do or you don't do on festivals.
We're also going to talk about like the rider for your gigs and the software you need for your bookings. For the label part, we talked with Marijke. She's from Art of Creation, our label, and we talked about everything, how to send in demos, what they were looking for in an artist, royalties.
Everything you need to know about the label part. So we also covered a chapter about social media, and we invited our own marketing manager, Melle, to talk with us about how to post, what to do and what to don't do, especially don't do on social media, on Instagram, on Facebook.
And on the other hand, we're also going to talk about the winner mentality and your mindset, because being a great, successful artist needs a great mindset. And we're going to teach you all the tactics you can use in that. More inspiration on your tracks and how to deal with writer blocks.
So we've been there. Track done, everything done, you're ready to go and you don't know where to go. No record label knows where to find you, and we're going to teach you how to be there at the right time, at the right place, with the right mindset. We are Bass Modulators.
And this is our Limitless Artist Masterclass on 78910.com.